This is going to be our most complicated transformation yet. We're starting off with the graph of f(x) equals the absolute value of x, and what we want to produce is we want to graph the function f of x is equal to negative the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so when we look at this, the important thing is that this is a reflection, the minus outside the absolute value signs, the minus in front of the absolute value signs is a reflection in the x-axis. A reflection in the x-axis. Okay. We're then going to have a shift. Now this is inside the absolute value signs, so this is going to be a shift to the left. Okay, so a minus, actually to the right, a minus shifts us to the right. We're going to have a shift to the right, and then the plus 3 in the end. The plus 3 in the end is going to shift us upwards. Okay, that's an upward shift. Now, the important thing about this is that the order of these two doesn't matter. But this one here, this reflection must come first. Okay? That must come first. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a reflection on the x-axis first. So we'll label some points here. So we always label the vertex. And let's label this one and this one and maybe a couple of others. Let's label this one and this one. Now they may not all fit, they may not all be perfect, but they'll do as our starting point. So a reflection in the x-axis. This one's already on the x-axis. Remember, this is the x-axis here. Okay, this is the x-axis here. This point's already on the x-axis, so it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, move out to this one. Okay, so a reflection in the x-axis means you move straight down to the x-axis and you count how far down you have to go. 1, 2, 3. And then you go on the same distance again. So 1, 2, 3, and you end up there. Now that's not going to be our final point, but it's our intermediary point. Do the same thing with the other 3 points. So come straight down, and this one we're going to have to come down 5 to the x-axis and then on another 5. So on another 5 will take us to there. Okay. Do the same thing with these 2 points. This one you count down 1, 2, 3 and go on another 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's there. Okay, and then this one you want to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you've got to go on another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there. Okay, now we're not going to join those lines yet because we're not finished. That's only our first transformation. All right, let's see what else we have to do. So we're now going to shift every one of those points 4 to the right, 4 spaces to the right, and up 3 spaces. Okay, so we'll do these together. So for every new point that we've got, we're going to go 4 to the right and up 3. So let's see what happens with that. 4 to the right and up 3. Let's see if we can remember that. Okay, so take this one and go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, and that will be there. Okay, take this point. 1, 2, and perhaps we should use a different color for these final points. Okay, let's say we use this pink for these last points. So we'll change that one and we'll make it pink. Okay. Okay, so just to remind ourselves what we're doing, we're going 4 to the right and up 3. Okay. So now I take this point. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right and up 3. 1. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be there. Then this point, go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that was our vertex. That was originally our vertex. So we can put a V there to show that that was our vertex. Take this point, go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That'll be there. And this point, we've run out of room with this point. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. It'll be somewhere possibly up around there. Okay, so look at the pink points that we've got and join those. And we said this one was the vertex. It's a good idea to track the vertex always. So if we have that, then we can see what's happened here. And we can go in the other direction as well. And that's our new line. Okay, that's our new line. So it's been flipped upside down. That was the reflection in the x-axis that causes the flip upside down. And it's been shifted over to the right and then up 3. Okay, so thanks for watching. Take your time with those. Do the reflection first. So flip everything on the x-axis first, and that'll turn it upside down. Then do the horizontal and vertical shifts in the order of those. Doesn't matter too much. Okay, thanks for watching, and again, take your time with these.